I want to show you how in a few seconds you can see the real number of shutter actuations of your DSLR camera, simply how many shots your DSLR has taken. So you will know the wear level of the shutter, which has limited life. Here's official numbers for different models and brands, and you can't reset or modify shutter count. Okay, find the latest picture or take a new and go to camerashuttercount.com, the link in description below. Browse for the picture and click upload. This website reads EXIF data from your picture, which has a lot of technical information that you usually can't see. And you can see the shutter count number and the model of my camera.